Knowing how to factory reset your Windows 10 and 11 PC is handy for troubleshooting performance problems, fixing software glitches, or prepping it for sale. Let's get started. Note: in this video, I only showed steps for Windows 11. If you have Windows 10, please refer to our article link in description. Press the Start button on your keyboard. Choose the gear icon to open the Settings menu. In the Settings menu, select System. In the right sidebar of the System section, click Recovery. Under the Reset PC section, choose the Reset PC option. Now, you'll be asked to choose between Keep My Files or Remove Everything. Similar to Windows 10, Windows 11 offers the option to keep my files or remove everything. Pick the desired option based on your preferences. You can further configure some settings, like restoring pre-installed apps. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to proceed. The reset process may take some time, depending on your computer's specifications. Once the process is finished, your computer will restart, and you'll be greeted with the initial setup screen. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel.